Why do you need Flexiv RDK? Programming a robot shouldn't be difficult. Completing secondary development shouldn't be confusing. And setting up a multi-robot work cell shouldn't be time-consuming. That's why Flexiv has created a robotic development kit, namely Flexiv RDK, that empowers developers to generate complex, customized applications with ease. Multiple businesses and organizations already use adaptive robots to increase efficiency and productivity. Optimizing these installations, though, is often a challenge. Flexiv RDK provides developers with the features and solutions they need to make faster and easier modifications to create unique robotic solutions. Builds on top of our very own Flexiv elements, the RDK can modify an adaptive robot software to provide developers with full access to issue actuator-level commands to the robot behaviors at 1 kHz by its real-time APIs, and execute high-level tasks and invoke pre-programmed robotic skills by its non-real-time APIs effortlessly. Currently used in the medical, agricultural, and R&D fields, the RDK has enabled users to deploy teleoperation, multi-arm systems, autonomous mobile manipulation, and a whole host of other features and functions. With over a dozen functional modules embedded into the RDK, users have the tools they need at their fingertips, thanks to the development kit's comprehensive technical documentation and guidance. Beginners can delve into programming and learn on the fly to transform their skill set. With a wide array of library files available instantly via GitHub, users can leverage existing code or create their tailor-made programs to meet their exact needs. In addition, the development kit supports 2 popular programming languages, C++ and Python, so programming a robot has never been easier. Flexiv is dedicated to continually expanding the capabilities of the RDK with regular scheduled releases and updates you can use to enhance the way your robot works. The Flexiv RDK, inspiring you to do more.